Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alma and here I am getting ready for Valentine's Day. This is my Valentine's Day look. I am priming my face with the e.l.f. setting spray, making sure it's on my skin, and I'm using this NYX foundation tint. I like it. I've seen different reviews, but I like this one on me. I'm using this e.l.f. brush to spread out and apply my foundation, making sure it covers all my redness. I have a lot of redness. I feel like my face gets like that even more when I apply like moisturizer and primer. My face just flares up. I don't know. Maybe it's just my skin. Okay, so now I'm using the NYX concealer serum, the Bear With Me, and I'm using the other side of the complexion duo brush. I'm gonna use that on my lids. I'm gonna prime my lids for my eyeshadow, and I'm using it for the bottom of my eyes as well, just because I want to get this step, it is just a faster application. Okay, so here I am trying to spread out the product with the brush, and now I'm getting the Real Techniques angled small brush to make sure it's spread out and press it into my skin. I'm gonna get the Wet n Wild Bare Focus, or Photo Focus, I'm sorry, Banana by Wet n Wild, and I'm setting my lids with that, with this tiny brush. It's a loose powder, and I'm setting my under eyes as well, pressing it into my skin. And here I'm doing my brows with the NYX pencil. And here is the NYX Neutral palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. And I really love this palette because I feel like you could create a very neutral, soft look, or, glam it up with a lot of, with some of that glitter that it has there. So here I am applying this light brown shade onto my crease, and I'm using the Equal Tools brush, making sure it goes close to my brow, blending it through. I love these Equal Tools brushes. They're really cool. Yeah. Okay, here I am getting a darker brown just to put a little bit more depth into the eyeshadow color. A little more darkness on the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm swirling it in as well so it could blend through. In the outer corner as well. Okay, and here I am with the Laura Mercier Brightening Under Eye Powder. And I'm going to use that to bake under my eyes. I forgot to put that before, but I'm doing it now. And I'm using that small NYX brush. I swear, I feel like I always use NYX. It's like really, really good product. Okay, and I decided to pull out this Wet n Wild Christmas palette, the Peanut collection, because I wanted to use one of the glitters here. I'm going to spray my brush with the e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm going to use that to apply the glitter onto my lid. And it's a pink glitter. And this brush I'm using is by Equal Tools. It's a flat brush. You can use it for concealer or eyeshadow or to pick up glitter. And I'm spraying more of that e.l.f. setting spray so I can stick it onto my lid. Picking up some more and applying it to my lid. Yeah, I just keep packing it in there. And here I already applied my mascara and my lashes, and I use these lashes by Kiss. And I'm going to use this L'Oreal telescopic eyeliner. Here I am applying it. I decided to go with an eyeliner today because I wanted a winged eye look. I wanted a seductive, sexy makeup eye look for Valentine's Day. Filling it in there. Okay. And then here I go with the Russian Red lipstick by MAC. And I have this angled brush, a skinny angled brush by Real Techniques. And I'm grabbing some of that lipstick, dabbing it on to my brush because I'm going to use like a red eyeliner look. I'm going to use it as an eyeliner. So I'm going to place it right on top of my black liner that I already placed. And I'm just using this on the outer part of my liner. Just on that winged look. That wing that I placed. And I'm going to use this red eyeshadow to mattify and set this lipstick liner on my lid. This is just to set it and brighten it up a little bit. And I already did the liner for my other eye. And here's Lily taking off stickers on my face. And here I'm using the Makeup Revolution bronzer, the cream bronzer. And I'm using the angled brush by Eco Tools. Bronzing up my face or contouring. Making sure I get under my chin. And I'm dusting off the under eye brightening powder, all that baking. I'm dusting it off with this Real Techniques fluffy brush. Here's my Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I used the brighter pink shade that's on this palette. Wanted it some pink for this look. And I put some on my nose. I think I put a little too much, but it's okay. We can take it off. Here I am taking a little off with my sponge. Yeah. And here is this Wet n Wild lip liner called Willow. I really love this color. It's so neutral and rosy. It's like neutral rose pinky, something like that. And I'm lining my lips with this pencil. And here I am using the Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse. And this is the color Pour Some Sugar on Me. Sorry, it's so small I could barely read it. And I'm applying it over the lip liner because I wanted a pinky, a soft pink lip. Like a neutral, soft pink lip. And I thought that this was just perfect. And here I go in with the L'Oreal True Match powder with my powder brush. And I'm just dabbing it a little bit on my face, on my T-zone, my chin, my forehead, and a little bit on my cheeks. Just a little bit. And I'm going to set my makeup with the MAC's Fix Plus setting spray. And fanning it out. And there it is, everybody. There's my pink glittery eyeshadow with a little bit of red liner. I think it looks really cute. Love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe if you haven't already. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you. Love you guys. Oh, I love how this came out.